Tom, hold on, Tom.
Wait, Ian's pushing buttons. Are you good, Ian? You got tension. Okay, go. Look at that.
Not working.
Go back a little, Jono. And then just turn a bit to the left. Okay, go. That's him. It's going. Okay, wait. Ian's got a problem. Ian keeps stalling his automatic. I don't know what's happening there. Okay, go. And we're out.